Hello and good evening. I will be teaching you how to change this format here that I'm highlighting to this format down here for each of the organisms associated with the sequences shown. So for the first one, we are going to type in this part of it up here because I have a trick up my sleeve. That's a little bit of a shortcut, or maybe it's how you do it, I don't know, but I think it's a shortcut. I think it's very inventive. What you do is you keep on pressing period, and it'll highlight the whole thing. See? Because you don't want to use spaces with your commands. There's still a little bit more periods. Okay, now the whole thing's highlighted. And then to replace it, put your little parentheses. And then you have, just type it all out. And you click replace. And that's replaced. Now to do the next one, don't have all your periods in there, you gotta find the next thing. So you're gonna do Z673, that's good. So we'll just keep on doing periods, like so. And then we're going to change the format to make it appropriate. Sorry, I can't spell. I'm almost done. Okay. Okay. Replace. Cool. And now we're going to do the same thing for the other sequences. Very fun. I think what I might do this time is do a little copy and paste just to accelerate the process. See? Okay. Period. And we just gotta do a little copy-paste action again. And now this is the, however you pronounce that starts with H. Wait, what's the correct number? Okay, cool. Replace. You're gonna do I shouldn't have been doing the point one, so I'm going to erase the point one. Just realized that. But for the next one, period. Ooh, it has disco in it. Cool. That word. My dad did disco back in the day. I don't think he was very good. And the last one, oh no, I just had ice cream. Stop laughing. There are people laughing. It makes me sad. I'm sorry, it's just one of those days. It's okay, don't feel bad for me. I actually have tears. Now you're gonna replace it. You just gotta paste it again. Oh, I pasted the wrong thing. Hold on, I'm gonna be serious. I'm so sorry. One, it's hard to see through the tears. It spells Pontalina. And then you click replace. And the challenge is completed. We're all done. Good evening.